This is Ashish Bhatt and welcome to another unboxing video. This time we'll be exploring and unboxing Samsung Galaxy Fit 2, which is really a smart budget tracker for all your daily needs. I have purchased this for my wife as it has a low form factor, good battery life, and a good sleep tracking. It is yet to be tested. And just to let you know, guys, I have purchased it on Amazon for only 30 euros, which is really inexpensive. I will put a link in the description down below if you want to take a look and purchase it. On a side note, if you purchase it through that link, I'll get a small commission, but it won't impact your original price. So yeah, let's just try to open this box up right away. Yeah, I've just ruined the box. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so as you can see, this is the black one. It comes in two colors, black and red. I purchased it, the black one. What else do we have? There should be a charger or something, charging unit somewhere. Yeah, in here. So yeah, your quick start guide, your warranty card and everything. Yeah, just the usual stuff. And here you go. This is the charging unit. You could directly plug this USB and yeah, you would have to just you can simply connect this to the back of your watch and that should be it. Okay, let's just try to see what have we here. Okay, how do I turn on this watch? It looks like I would have to recharge. I would have to charge this watch. Yeah, so I'll do that first and then I'll come back. Hey guys, so I'm back and I put this watch on charge, and as you can see, it's 60% charged already. Yeah, we can go ahead and take a look. So my first impressions, the body strap, it seems to be a silicone strap. At least it feels smooth. What else? Yeah, nothing much actually. As you can see here, you can see these 2 points. These are basically the contact point for the charger, and it also has heart rate sensor here. Nothing much actually, other than that there are no physical buttons. Uh, there is a button, home button, on the lower bottom. So this screen is 1.1 inch AMOLED display. Yeah, that's what it is. Let's just try to see what do we have here. I kind of took the liberty to to basically install the app on Android device and then kind of paired this smart band paired this smart band. Otherwise it won't work. I was trying different things, but it just wouldn't come up uh, until I actually connected it with the Android app. There's also one more thing to mention here is that there is not only a single app, but you would have to actually install, I think, 2 or 3 different apps um, to actually connect it completely. and then to bring this device up, which was not really nice. One app should be enough, but yeah, nonetheless, it took me some time to do that. Okay, so this is this watch face that I added. The screen is actually kind of vibrant. Um, and okay, let's just try to swipe and see. Okay, it doesn't go from bottom to top. Okay, let's try to do from left to right. Okay, so it says that it has no notifications here. Okay, so there is a feature apparently called Wash Now, and I think it's a reminder to wash your hands. Mm, nice. What else do we have? Alarm and stopwatch. Okay, add current location. Okay, so it can measure stress. So this is something neat. Can I do that? No, couldn't measure stress. Okay, yeah. Select your workout. Okay, okay, okay. So it has few presets, as you can see: walking, running, cycling, swimming, and it has other workouts. And it looks like we can actually create the workout. And if you would want to, go back to the previous menu, you would have to click on this home button, and then you would be back on the previous menu. And this one is showing me steps, my heart rate. It seems like asleep or something. How much distance you've covered, min max. Okay, nothing else. Okay. So if I'm when I'm trying to do this, it's also kind of vibrating and giving me this haptic feedback, which is really nice. Okay, and then we are again back to the watch phase. Okay, so you could just loop through it. The same thing would happen if you would go from right to left. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay, from top to bottom, it should strange. Okay, yeah. Okay, it didn't register my touch. That's strange. It's not doing it. Hmm, that's weird. Okay, so if you pull the menu from top to bottom, you would see the notifications. Okay, probably I would have to be a bit slow. It just doesn't register if we are doing it fast. Okay, yeah, probably that's the reason why. So brightness, okay. What else? Music control. So yeah, you can actually control your music from this device. Of course, it doesn't have any storage, but it can only, control the music that you are playing on your phone that is connected to. Okay, it's not registering sometimes. That's weird. Okay, what else? What is this? Oh, I don't know. What was that? No idea. No idea what's that. Okay, turned off. Okay. I just don't know. What was that? Ah, come on, man. It's just not working sometimes. Okay, probably night mode. Restart and power off. That's what they seemed like. What else do we have? Nothing much. Huh. Okay. What's that? Connect to phone. Okay. What's this? Okay, yeah. So actually, there is not much you can do from this, apart from just getting some high level stats, like how many steps you have taken, what's your heart rate, what's your stress level. Yeah, and yeah. One nice thing about this device is that it can detect automatic workouts. So, so that's there. And yeah, it doesn't have an inbuilt GPS. So if you are doing, um, the workouts, like running, cycling, you would have to carry your phone if you would want to, register all the GPS points, location points. Mm. And I think it's also easy to kind of change this. Uh, yeah, yeah, I guess one could remove it very easily, as you can see here, and you could probably change the strap. Yeah, yeah. So it's a one single continuous strap, and then the other thing is this device itself. Yeah, nice. I would just put it back. Just don't want to destroy this thing. My wife needs it. Okay. So yeah, I think it will make sense if I, just talk about the screen. So the screen itself is pretty bright, vibrant, and I'm pretty sure I can, you know, check the details, check the time or whatever it is, very easily, even on the brighter sunny day. So you don't have to worry about that at least. And I've also heard and also seen on the reviews that the sleep tracking on this device is really good. So I would have to kind of try that out. Okay, so let me just try to, wear this on my arm and probably see how this looks. Okay, so this has a strange, um, this what do you call this? The strap. So if you can see, this is not the traditional strap mechanism. Yeah, I've never seen something like this on any of the watches because I have this watch. It has a general standard strap mechanism, but this one is a bit different. So you would have to, assume you would have to, take it from within this, and then just put it under, and then you could probably, yeah, yeah, something like this. Yeah, it's it's a bit weird, to be really honest. I don't know how would I put it on my wrist. So I take it from here and then put it under, and I would then probably turns on, and you just move your wrist. So yeah, it's easy if you want to see it. Let's just try to see. Okay, let's see. It's doing something. Come on, come on, come on. Measure my stress. Measure my stress. Show me, show me. What was that? Didn't give me anything actually. That's strange. Come on. Show me something. Show me some number. Huh, what's, oh, okay, it says it's average, okay. Oh, okay. So it shows, so if you go down, then it shows it's the average stress. So there is no number apparently associated, and it says you could probably breathe for some time. Okay, okay, that's how it goes. Okay. Just to put it in a conclusion, the device itself is pretty cheap. You can get it for as low as 30 euros, just like I did on Amazon. Screen looks really bright, and the battery life, what I've heard, is amazing on this device. Uh, so if you are doing it in a mixed mode, which means that sometimes you are using it for your workouts, and sometimes you are not using it. Sometimes you are just using this to probably watch your steps and just the time. Then it could go up to 21 days. But if you use in a continuous mode, uh, you know, having the heart rate sensor on, then it can go up to 14 days. That's what they are saying. But but I would have to be sure about it, because as of now, this is the first time that I'm using it, or my wife will use it, and then only then we would get to know about these numbers. Yeah, for the final conclusion, the screen is really bright. It's 1.1-inch AMOLED, as I said previously, just crisp, and you can view it um, in direct sunlight as well. So that's nice. I think overall, um, this smart band is really great. Most importantly, if you see the price range of this device, you are getting a lot from on this price point. So I would say, yeah, one could easily check this thing out. And yeah, probably I would recommend it. Uh, yeah, based on the initial impressions, I think I can say that I can recommend it. Yeah, the only thing that I did not like, actually, there are two things I would say. So the first thing is that you would have to install multiple different apps to, sync this, and to bring this device up. That's annoying. And this strap band, I probably, if you're used to it, then I think it won't make much difference. But yeah, this is something, that you would have to adjust it. You will get adjusted to this one, and I think it would take some time to do that. Other than that, this device seems really nice. Um, yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do subscribe. And thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Bye.